they call me loving dad. I'll rock 'em, roll 'em all night long. I'm a 60-minute man. If you don't believe I'm all I say, come up and take my hand. When I let you go, you'll cry.
Come on! What the bloody blaze is going on? Gosh, I can't have any peace and quiet around here.
Oh, I already know Jesus.
I can't help you find God, but I can sure help you with those grimy floors.
Yeah. What the? Hey, pal, get your damn piggies out of my doorway. I'm not interested in your product.
Sir, just give me 1 minute of your time and you won't regret it. May I come in?
Fine. Just a minute, though, and you're out.
First off, my name is Eddie. I'm with the Hoover Express, and we're a vacuum cleaner company. When's the last time you cleaned your floors?
I don't know, probably 2 months ago?
That's disgusting. Well, let me show you just how well this vacuum works. With just one easy pass, all the dust, dirt, and debris will be gone forever. We're gonna clean your floors already. With this product, your floors will be groovy and clean in no time.
Yeah, I mean, looks like it does a nice job, but I'm not really interested. What are you doing? I didn't say you could go through my house.
It even takes care of hardwood floors. Look at how clean your floor is after I use the Hoover Express. See? Clean, my brother.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like it does a really nice job cleaning the floors. It cleans them well, but I don't even get paid till next Friday. What? Did you just go in my fridge and take a bottle of water?
Let's go over here and see how well it cleans your bedroom floor.
Dude, this isn't your house. Ah, this frickin' vacuum salesman, I swear. What? What are you doing in my room?
Now, I'm sure many dirty things happen in this room, but nothing the Hoover Express can't take care of. This shit is really fucking clean!
Get out of my house! Get out! What are you doing?
Here's my card if you change your mind, sir.
Out! Gosh.
Oh, jeez. Time for some peace and quiet.
Come on!